Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we're making sweet gnocchi, sweet cinnamon gnocchi. Yeah, I've never had it, to be honest, gnocchi before. It's always something I want to try because it's basically potatoey pasta, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a, yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
I've never had it. So we saw a recipe on, I think it was Instagram. It's basically cinnamon covered gnocchi with a cinnamon sugar covered in chocolate. So you can't really moan at those ingredients, really, can you? So it's quite a simple one. There's not many ingredients. Gnocchi, cinnamon. We've got sweet cinnamon, which I've never seen before, but I thought we'd give it a try. 60 grams of melted butter.
Yeah.
You just mix it all up and air fry it, didn't you?
Mm.
All right.
I think people might be a bit on the fence with this one because gnocchi's like savoury.
Yeah.
And then you're turning it into something sweet. Like you wouldn't really do it with rice or pasta or spaghetti.
And you wouldn't cover a donut in ketchup.
No. And you wouldn't really put cinnamon on potato.
But
so I think this would be interesting.
yeah, I do too. A nice little like party food snack, isn't it? Because the way I saw him eating was with like a cocktail stick, dipping it into the sauce. So as per usual, I'm going to let Jen take over whilst I hold the camera. Although I don't think you're going to get your hands dirty on this one.
No, I mean, would you like to do it? And
No.
me hold the... No, okay.
No, not
Thought
interested.
I'd give it a chance.
I'm not patient enough. So yeah, what we'll do is I'm going to cut down to the other camera and we'll show you how it's done. Okay, right, so here we are. This one's quite an easy one, isn't it?
It is. Like you say, you don't even have to get your hands dirty on this one.
No, I don't. Always worries me, you with sharp knives.
Why?
I just don't know how you've still got all your fingers left. Oh wow, they're weird. Oh wow, I've never even touched
It's
them.
really-
It's dense, isn't it?
Yeah, it is dense. You
Okay.
don't need a lot of it.
So in here we've got 60 grams of just normal butter that we melted in the microwave for 20 seconds.
Yep. Just going to pour that over.
Yeah, so now you just give that a mix. What's everyone's views on microwaves? Because we're talking about just getting rid of ours because we hardly use it. We've got a couple of air fryers.
And what we do use it for, we could easily use...
Yeah, we were talking about like could we use the air fryers instead of microwave? So like melting butter, stuff like that. We use the microwave veg sometimes, don't we?
Yeah.
And then I don't really know really what else we use it for. But we do reheat some food, but not that we couldn't reheat elsewhere. Yeah. So as we said, this is the sweet cinnamon. It does taste quite sweet actually. We had a bit of a try of it the other day. Cinnamon challenge.
I would not pass the cinnamon.
No, you wouldn't. That's it, just give it a mix. I've never, like I say, gnocchi's weird, isn't it?
Yeah. It's weird. I mean, I really like it, but we've never really done a recipe in it purely like a recipe, like a dinner or anything.
What would you put with it normally then? Is it like a bolognese or something like that? Could you do with it?
I guess so. I mean, I've only ever had it once or twice, but I have really enjoyed it.
Okay.
But I can't really remember what I had with it. It was that memorable.
So what we're going to do is now we're just going to whack this in the air fryer. I think 190, but we'll check the recipe and show you. Okay, right. So we've decided to put these in silicone trays just because we think it'd be easier. And there's like butter still in the bottom of those. Yeah.
There's like
juice.
there is some juice.
Yeah.
Somewhere at the bottom there.
So what we're going to do is we're going to whack them in these and then put these in the air fryer. It also means you haven't got to clean it as well, which makes a massive difference. Do you want me to turn them sideways so you've got a bit?
Oh, I was trying to go for them. Oh, okay, yeah, thank you. Well, do you want me to do about half in each?
Yeah, I would. Teamwork, eh, guys?
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah, I'm not really sure this is dream work. You ready?
Yep.
Wow, you can really smell that cinnamon. See, like the butter's kind of solidifying now, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not necessarily...
It's like a cinnamon butter at the bottom now.
Yeah, just spread them out a little bit. So I'm trying to do this left-handed. It's that whole cat-handed thing, isn't it? We discussed on all the old videos.
Oh, what was the results of that, by the way? Left-handed.
You're cat-handed, I'm normal.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, so what we'll do is now I'm going to whack these in the air fryer. Not really sure of the temperature though, so I've got to get my phone out. It's $1.90 for 12 minutes. So whilst you're doing that, putting them in, I'll do the temperatures and stuff. Oh, air fry, sorry. They're still quite hot from our last video.
Right, 190.
190.
For 12.
12
minutes.
Yeah. And then match. And then start. Perfect. All right.
Check at half time?
Yeah, well, we have to turn them at 6 minutes, like kind of shake them up like we did the last ones. So we'll show you how they go. Okay, right, so it's had its 6 minutes. Let's have a quick look. Oh, wow, they smell really cinnamony. Although, what would I expect, to be honest? They're all right, they're not stuck together, are they?
No, they're fine.
They look like mini potatoes.
They look really similar to the potato video that we've just shot.
Yeah. You wouldn't want to cover these in gravy, though, would you?
Oh, no.
Or garlic butter. Although you could, coat these in garlic butter?
You could coat gnocchi in garlic butter.
These might be better than for that last video.
Yeah. Yeah, let us know what you think. Watch this video and the preview on the potato video.
Yeah, I'm not sure what order they're coming out in though, so that might make no context at all.
Yeah.
They smell good though.
Right. And a lot of that juice has gone now as well.
Yeah.
It's a little bit at the bottom, but
That's fine. Well, we kind of need them to be a little bit wet to be able to stick the cinnamon sugar.
yeah.
So we'll see in 5 minutes, 40 seconds. Okay, right, so the full 12 minutes is up. Let's have a quick look. They smell good.
They do smell
They
good.
smell really cinnamony.
They're like
But not...
miniature roasties.
They are like miniature roast, but they're not like a sweet cinnamon smell. It's just like a raw cinnamon smell, isn't it?
Yeah, the sweetness has gone.
Yeah, yeah. So what we're going to do is now, we're going to get these out because I can imagine these things are really hot. Yep, they are. Don't touch those. I'm not going to live for long, am I? So we're going to put these on a plate and then we coat them with some cinnamon sugar that we've made, and we'll show you that in a second. Okay, right, so that's all of them out of the air fryer. They smell really good. They
do.
Look really weird. They've got like a little outer skin texture to them.
I'm really
they?
intrigued to see your response to gnocchi.
Yeah, yeah, me too, actually. So we've done 100 grams of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and that's it. So now we're just going to pour that on and coat them.
Right, literally just pour it over.
Ignore the background noise. There's loud people outside. They look amazing. That is so much cinnamon sugar. I just do that, Jen. And just coat them. Oh, the smell of that.
If these are nice, I'm already thinking we could do this at Christmas.
So we're coating them. That was a lot of cinnamon sugar they are recommended. I think that's double the amount of what you need.
Yeah, I mean, we've probably used 2/3 of what they said.
Yeah,
So
and even then it's probably still a little bit too much.
Yeah.
I like the way it's sticking though, because sometimes you get stuff and it doesn't stick.
Yeah.
But no, these look good. So what we're going to do is now, we're going to take a quick thumbnail picture, which is probably the reason why you've clicked this video. And then we're going to put some chocolate on there and then give it a bit of a try. Okay, so what we've done is just put them on a plate and poured a little bit of chocolate dessert sauce on there. We were looking for like a chocolate dipping sauce in Asda, but we couldn't find anything, could we?
No, I don't think it's a thing that exists.
So Jen just thinks I made it up in my head, that's what she's saying. Sorry, the 4-year-old's just running around. So what we can do is now give these a try. I say it's really weird, isn't it? Like the text, well, the look of them.
You know what they're like? They're like dense choux pastry balls covered in cinnamon and chocolate.
Yeah, it's like almost undercooked donut. They're really good. I love the crunchiness. Yeah, these are definitely something I would recommend. Because you wouldn't even necessarily need them warm. You could eat them cold.
And you could probably dip them in chocolate.
That's what the recipe was doing.
Sorry.
Yeah, was like a dipping sauce, but it doesn't exist. So that's why we've come up with the chocolate sauce.
It might exist.
Jen doesn't think it exists.
I personally don't think it does, because if you think even like fondue, like a chocolate fondue is just melted chocolate. So I don't actually know that you have like dipping chocolate as an actual product. I don't know, like the fact that this is a budget channel, we've only looked in Asda, because it has recently been voted the cheapest supermarket in the UK. But
it's probably the kind of thing you'd find in M&S.
M&S, Ocado, Waitrose, whatever you want to call it.
It's
It might
good,
be
though.
there, but
They're like individual little mini cinnamon donuts.
it's like a little twang of the gnocchi inside though.
There is something in there, isn't there, that's savoury.
But it is good.
Yeah, really good. I would definitely recommend these. How much is a pack of gnocchi? Was it like £1 or something like that? I'm going to put it on screen now. Cinnamon, everyone has in their cupboard. Sugar, everyone has in their cupboard. Butter, everyone has in their fridge.
Chocolate, most people would have at home.
See, I'm okay without even the chocolate on these.
Yeah.
It tastes all right without it. They're like little mini cinnamon donuts. And they took 12 minutes.
So you like gnocchi as well?
I like gnocchi, get me. Multicultural.
Hey, we can start eating more dinners.
Yeah, it's just vegetables and salad and fruit that I don't eat. Apart from that, eat anything. But you think it took, this was probably, out of all the videos we've done today, this is probably the easiest one prep-wise, isn't it?
Yeah.
All you had to do in theory was melt butter.
Yeah.
There was nothing else, was there?
No.
Melt butter, whap it in the gnocchi, put some cinnamon on them, whap it in the air fryer. And because we use the silicone things, we don't need to clean the air fryer out.
That's good.
It's easy.
Nice.
So, as much as you're enjoying watching us eat these,
You can probably hear us crunch.
yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Such a child. Any hints, tips, or recommendations, please leave it down below. I'm going to get rid of this gnocchi in my mouth. And thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.